copy this and open notepad. Already we opened notepad, so let's save and close and open new notepad and paste it here. Just we need to select only content like this way and make it 22. So this is the format. Okay, so then we need to save it in desktop. We need to save it in desktop with our own name. So I'm going to save with LSMW IT 0057. Then click on save and close. So now let's go to SAP system. Now our part will come from this specify file onwards. Our part will come from specify file onwards. So now go to click on execute. So don't do anything, sir. Don't do anything. Just what we need to do, just we need to select this, then click on display or change. So these buttons will disable, enable. If you click on this button, all for all of fields will be in disable, even save button also. So to make enable, we need to click on this, then select this, then click on change. So don't do anything, just select this, then click on change. Once you click on change, then we need to select our file. What is our file? LSMW infotype 57. Then select. Then once that file is saved, once that file is selected, then click on continue. Don't select any field. Just we need to select folder, I mean the notepad, and click on continue. Once it is selected, then click on save. Then click on save. You will get data saved green button. Then come back. So once you come back, see before we selected specify files. One that file is saved. Once you click on back button, automatically by system this field will be selected. So now again click on execute. Now click on change. Once you click on change, then this field will be in enable. Otherwise it will be in disable. So always you click on change, save. That's all. Again come back. Then see again automatically next field is selected. So again click on execute. Then again click on execute. So remember my decision. So if you don't want to each and every time, I don't want to get this message, then click on remember and allow. So how many are there? 47. Let's count here. How many are there? 47. Yes, perfect. My file 47. Here also system read 47 records. Perfect. Again click on one time back, again second time back. See already again that next field also is selected by the system. Again click on execute, again click on continue. So this is the which we gave to the system, randomly you can select anything. Then we need to verify here. Okay, personal number is storing in personal number, info type is storing in info type, subtype is storing in subtype, start date correct, end date correct, and subtype is nothing but same of subtype. Yes, perfect. And the amount 1013 rupees. Yes, membership number. Yes, perfect. So all fields are correct. Just randomly we need to pick one or two employees. Just we need to have a look. Then once everything is correct, click on back button, again click on back button, automatically converted data. Up to here system will show display read data. Up to here system will show which data we gave to the system. From here, whichever data we have given, system will convert into SAP terminology. So now click on execute. Again click on execute. Now system converted into 47 record, whichever we have given, and again display converted data. Yes, continue. If we have a look, earlier yellow color message, now green color. So again randomly select anything. These are all things, sir. This is system terminology. But what we need to look, whichever data we have given, parcel number, info type, and waste type, start date, end date, waste type, these things, everything is fine. Now click on create batch input section, click on execute. Always we need to keep this button, sir. I will tell you why it is required. If you will not select this, what will happen? If you select this, what will happen? I will tell you. But don't do any changes. Don't do any changes. Select keep batch input folder, click on execute. That's all. Batch input folder is created in backend. Say first one, specify files. Next, this all fields, just if you look out, we have selected here one file, then execute, everything is execute. We haven't done anything other than execute. Just once you select free folder, I mean file, our file, then automatically that file, if once it is correct, automatically just everything will be read. Now click on execute again. Now select this. Now click on process. Click on process. Here we have to select display errors only. Here we have to select only display errors. What does mean display errors? Display errors is nothing but among 47 employees, if is there any error, that particular employee will be displayed. If everything data is correct, then system will process in background. Now click on select display errors only, then click on process. See, now the system is uploading in backend. See, this is the error. This is the error. What it is showing? Organization assignment, info type. So these are all real time where we are going to face. So now what we need to do? We need to open PA20. When this employee is hide, PA20. If you are getting this type of errors, you need to rectify like this. When employee joined, yes, 1/4/2021. That's why it is giving error. So we have maintained from 1/4. Then directly we can change it here itself. Then click on save. So this is also same. 65. 65. These are all common errors. That's why only I made it. Oh, for this employee, info type 2 itself, it is not there. Then what we need to do, if we want to skip this particular employee, then just click on back. Yes. Then click on yes. Again, 66 also is error. What is this error? Yes, these details is there, but when employee hide 0124. That's why. The again we can change it here. If no error, system will process directly. See, system is processing. Again, one error. What is this error again? This is the way. If every data is correct, we need not to do anything. System will process. But whichever data we have given, that is wrong. See, 1/4 only. But we have maintained 1/1. That's why system gave error. This is also almost 1/4. It seems to be all employees might be hired in 1/4, but we have maintained 1/1. That's why only system is giving error messages. Directly we can change here. Yes. See, number is changing. If you see 359, See 360. So it seems to be all employees hired with 365, 370. What is that number? 370. Where is that employee? So almost remaining 12 employees. So directly we can change it. No issues. Yes, perfectly completed everything. So now this is the, as I told you right earlier, there is a one folder selection. If you will not select the checkbox, this folder will not be appeared. This folder will not be appeared. If you check the checkbox, then only this folder will be appeared. This is the way where we are going to upload. Where we are going to upload. So today we have successfully completed. So I only made some errors during our mass upload. If we are going to get errors, how to rectify? Because of that one only, though employee hide on 0104, because we cannot predict when employee joined. Okay, if there are 1,000, 2,000 employees are there, among them 100 employees might be joined in 0107, but some employees might be joined in 0104. So I don't know. So randomly I have selected, knowingly or unknowingly I have maintained wrong master data during mass upload. How to rectify? How to rectify? If master data is correct, then error will not show. If master data is wrong during that time, in this video I have shown, if you don't know the data, then you can click on back and yes button. If you know the data during that mass upload itself, you can correct the data. Then once you click on save button, automatically next record will select by the system. So this is the way where we are going to mass upload master data through LSMW. So if you take overview, there are, first we are going to select, specify file, execute, last one where we are going to select enter row and process and display error messages. Display error message is nothing but whenever during 2000 employees, if among them 20 employees error, then the 20 employees error only will be displayed. Remaining everything will be processed in background by the system. So thank you. Hope you are understood, sir. So tomorrow I will make one more video for more clarity. Thank you, sir.